So we're out here today on a pothole repair job with our brand new infrared truck. As you can see behind me, we have an actual hopper that got loaded with blacktop this morning, and we have an infrared repair plate on the back. This crew went this morning, got 3 tons of asphalt. They're gonna come out to these potholes, drop their plate down on the back, heat the existing asphalt, remove the old dried asphalt, add new asphalt that they got this morning, and roll with a vibratory roller. The infrared crew provides tremendous value to our customers. Not only can they get more potholes done, repaired, seams, joints done in a day than a traditional paving crew, but with half the expense, half the crew, half the equipment.